Here's a new 2019 Lexus GX. Your trips into the wild can be civilized. The capability and serenity of this GX prove it does one thing exceptionally well: everything. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, intuitive park assist, and V8 engine. Inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. That is the DNA of a Lexus. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.